Hi guys, my name is Yasmin and today is the 8th of December. It is Flossmas number 8. Welcome you all back. It's been a really long day today. I feel my brain hurts. It was really intense day. I have spent whole day in front of the computer working on my assignment, and I am officially finished with schoolwork this year. As of 12 o'clock this afternoon, I have submitted my final assignment, which means I don't have to worry about any schoolwork until January the 9th. Obviously, we did started the new module, but I'm not looking into it. I will start working on it after New Year. I can't be bothered anymore. Like, my brain hurts. I need break. I haven't stitched much today because I was busy working on my stuff. So I had a little bit of progress from last night's stitching and from stitching over lunch break. I did watch Amanda the Alba Stitcher on YouTube today, and as I was watching her, I did stitch a tiny bit. So since I do not have lots of stitching to show you, I decided to bring some of my current finishes and some of my previous finishes. But before we go into it, I have got a new tea today, and today tea is, this is the box number 8, and in today's box was Cold Weather Warrior, which sounds lovely. It is a healing eucalyptus, and I'm not sure how to read this word. Ichinsia. I show it to you, and so you know which one. Is it focusing? Come on, focus, not on me. Focus on the tea. I think it's Ichinsia. If I'm saying this wrong, you know what you need to do. Just type it phonetically for me, so I can. Oh, yeah, maybe I should just ask Dr. Google because he knows everything. Okay, so how to brew it. Caffeine free, brew for 4 minutes and serve without milk. Ingredients: peppermint, eucalyptus, aniseeds, lemongrass, this word I cannot pronounce, achincea, and chili. So it is a great tea for this time of the year when it's so cold, because the spices, they really warm you up from inside. I have actually smelled the tea on my way upstairs, and it smells divine. Really pepperminty, really refreshing. The eucalyptus is really detectable. Is the word detectable? I think yeah, I can detect, I can really recognize this smell in the tea, but it's extremely hot. So again, it's gonna go on the side. My brain hurts. I have to say, before I go any further, my brain hurts. Like, oh, it's just, I feel so tired today from focusing on a screen and typing and all of those things. It is a lot for one person to embrace. So yeah, so let's talk about the previous finishes before I show you my tiny stitching from last night and today. So the first project I wanted to show you, it is Prairie Schooler Santa, which I stitched this year in January. If you were here at the beginning of this year, you may remember me having those ambitious plans and stitch one Prairie Schooler Santa each month. So by Christmas I should have at least 12. Well, we know this didn't happen, because after finishing this Prairie Schooler, I haven't stitched on any others. It's not because I didn't like it, it's just because I choose to work on something different. I really want to make sure that in 2023 I actually stitch some of the Prairie Schooler Santas, because I have them all from, I don't want to give you the wrong date, but I think from 1980 something. So I've really managed to collect I've managed to collect quite a lot of Santas. So definitely I have got Santa for each of the year my children were born, at least, and and I have got all of the current one as well. So this is one of the projects I wanted to show you. The second old project, I stitched this last year. It is a free chart from Stitchworks, something Stitchworks. I put across the screen, I don't remember. You definitely know this company. What is it? Sorry, something on my screen here. So yeah, so this was a free chart. It is still available on the link tree, so I will maybe include the link to this chart. And I stitched and I finished it on the snowflake. It's like a wooden stamp, and I used my own colors for it. And the final project I wanted to show you, it is mandala reindeer, which I purchased not so long ago, and I stitched this almost immediately. Within like 2 or 3 days I had this project stitched because it was so much fun to work on. And I finished it in a drum by using the easy method, which is sorry, I'm really sorry, I had a massive sneeze and something clicked in my neck whilst I was sneezing. So what I was saying, I did say I finished this into a drum using my easy method drum. No, the easy method for making drum, which is part of Meloka Designs YouTube channel. I did make tutorial and I posted on their YouTube channel. So if you would like to learn how to make this type of drum, please go to their channel and have a look. And I absolutely love it. This one sits on the, you know, on top of my, like a bookcase, like a corner shelf with other you know, winter Christmas project, and I added some pantini pins as an embellishment, and I really love it. Okay, let me have a sip on this tea. Lovely. I knew it from the beginning. It's gonna be gorgeous because it's very similar with ingredients and kind of, you know, the type of tea. I tried it yesterday, the oolong chai. Oh, that was gorgeous. This is the same gorgeous one. So yeah, sorry you hear me slurping. This is gorgeous tea. Definitely 10 out of 5. Okay, stitching. I have been stitching a little bit over lunch break today. I did watch Amanda. Did I tell you I watched Amanda? Because I am a little bit confused, because you won't believe it. I've actually recorded this video. I was talking to my camera for about 12 minutes until I've realized that I have not pressed record button. So now I'm a little bit confused if I said the things in this episode or like in this retake or in this recording or in one before. In case if I said it already, I watched Alba Stitches today, Amanda, and I worked a little bit on Penguin Mandala. It is gorgeous one. I absolutely enjoy stitching on it. I stitched also a little bit last night whilst I was watching Scrooge on Netflix, not on a Disney channel, on Netflix with my children. And I worked on this a little bit more today. You can really tell my brain is tired. Like the words are a challenge. Words are challenged. They don't want to come out, and they just sound wrong. So I'm going to be just quickly showing you what I have been stitching, and I need some rest. I need quiet. So yeah, so this is pretty much everything what I have been working on in the last 24 hours. So not much, but I'm glad I actually finished all my assignments, so now I have got all this time to enjoy. I will see you tomorrow again later in the evening. I will be all day in college. Tomorrow is time for another mandala from my mandala advent calendar, and I have to say I have been using this mandala from this day of 6th of December, and I absolutely love it. Oh, it's fantastic. And on this project I have got mandala from the 3rd of December, which is dog. So I'm really excited what mandala it's hiding under, you know, number 9. Okay, I need to stop talking. Right, I will see you tomorrow all. Have a wonderful evening. Bye bye.